American Dream TV. I'm your host, Amy Patton. Today we're here at the Butterfly Museum and the Houston Museum of Natural Science. We have such a heartwarming episode today. We are here with the Pink Bows Foundation in memory of Madison Dubisky. We're going to be talking to the president of the Pink Bows Foundation, and we're going to be releasing tons of butterflies in Madison's memory. Hi, I'm here with Peter Remington. Peter is the president of the Pink Bows Foundation.
Yes.
Peter, thank you so much for having us today at this special event.
Well, Amy, thank you for coming out, even though it's raining. You still made the effort to come out and visit with us, so thank you very much.
Absolutely,
Yeah.
my pleasure. Just tell us all about the Pink Bows organization.
So, we're a brand new organization. We're just now almost a year young. The Pink Bows Foundation was formed after the tragedy at Astroworld. Madison Dubisky, with 9 other people, lost their lives at the Astroworld concert. And after that happened, we created the Pink Bows Foundation. There was a huge outpouring of love and support from Madison. She was a very vibrant young lady, 23 years of age, so much going for her. She's about ready to get into the real estate business and do everything that she wanted to do with her life. And we are all about supporting the memory and the things that Madison did with her life. And while she was in high school, she did about 500 hours of volunteer work while going to high school and doing everything. And her passion was children. Her passion was going to see children at cancer wards. She spent time at MD Anderson and Texas Children's Hospitals visiting with the kids and just trying to brighten up her life. And she had a big zeal for life. We created the foundation to raise awareness about the lack of safety protocol within concerts and venues. You can go back and see that protocols in the last 3 or 4 decades have not changed at all. Although the concerts have gotten bigger, the crowd has gotten bigger, the mosh pits have gotten bigger, but the things that go on really just do not catch up to the size of the event. So safety protocols are very important to us, and we just want to make sure that what happened at Astroworld doesn't happen again. And we created this space called the Pink Bows Safe Space, which is where we're filming today.
Aw, that's beautiful.
Yeah,
so beautiful.
It's a big, beautiful pink tent. If they're at an event and they're getting claustrophobic or they're having some sort of anxiety attack, they can come here, hang out in these chairs. It's just a safe space for them. We want to have this thing called the Maddie's Law, which is a stop-down law in which where if things start to get a little crazy, an independent third party can actually throw the light switch and stop the concert.
That's amazing,
You know, that would be something great to have happen. But when the tragedy first happened, you talked about Houston. Well, it was not just Houston. People got a hold of this, and there were Pink Bows in Europe. They were Pink Bows, Europe. There's Italy. They were in France. They were in Spain. You could see them all over.
Yeah,
it's global. With everything that's going on about this, and the city of Houston, he really rallied behind this. And it's just the volunteers and all the people that believed in Madison and believe in the cause and believe that everybody no parent should have their child go to a concert and not come home. Not for something like that.
If people want to get involved and help out the foundation, what can they do?
Well, they can certainly go to pinkbowsfoundation.org.
Well, thank you so much for your time, and I'm looking forward to such a beautiful evening.
It's going to be a great time. Thanks
in memory of Madison.
Yeah.
Yes. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thanks for coming.
The outpour of love and compassion will forever be etched in the Dubisky family's hearts. A beautiful reminder that even in moments of loss, love and gratitude can shine brightly, offering a beacon of hope for others.
Thank you so much for joining me today at this magical event. Until next time, keep exploring and experiencing everything this city has to offer.